Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joko from the Universitas Negeri Surabaya, Surabaya, Indonesia. Permission to present a paper. The effect of academic service, non-academic service, information academic, non-academic service on student satisfaction in terms of gender. Introduction. Change in the learning system in the university during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Electrical Engineering Department of Engineering Faculty UNESA College is engaged in service required to provide academic, non-academic, and information academic non-academic service according to student customer expectation. This quality is related to meeting customer needs and sales. The accuracy of recruit in balancing or exceeding customer expectation. Service quality and dimension of service quality measurement and Malay and family student satisfaction, colleague sustainability. Introduction. The set objective to find out one difference in student satisfaction based on gender, on academic performance of lecture. Different in student satisfaction based or gender on the performance of the leadership of the electrical engineering department. Difference in student satisfaction based on gender on the performance of education personnel. Start. Difference in satisfaction student based on gender toward academic or non-academic service. Difference in student satisfaction based on gender toward academic, non-academic information service. Method. The research population was student of electrical engineering Universitas Negeri Surabaya. The number of research sample was 295 students in Malay, 7, 8 and Malay 217 determined by stratified random sampling techniques. The number of lecture who are research subject is 34. The data collection technique used an online service technique, Google Form. The research instrument before being used was tested for validity, wide valid, and very valid result. Hypothesis testing use non-parametric statistical technique because the data is not normal and homogeneous. Result study week 1 to 9 and table 1 to 2. And continues. Ini and tabel 1 student certified with industrial engineering average 3.24 for Malay College and 3.26 Malay College. Normality and test of homogeneity of variant shown in the table 3 and table 4 test statistic non-parametric. Discussion: the variable related to certain satisfaction studied with reliability, responsiveness, empathy, tangible, and assurance. The result of normality tests show that they are not normal and not homogeneous. The analysis technique to analyze the difference in satisfaction of a Malay and Malay statin use non-parametric statistical techniques. Discussion. Statin satisfaction with lecture academic performance. So and data. Student satisfaction with the leader of the IET. The leader of the IET program study and head of undergraduate study program of IET. The average satisfaction of Malay student of the performance of IET leader is 3.14 and male student 3.33 in the certified category and difference significantly 0.007. The significant difference is two different perception and expectation of organizational culture. Conclusion: student satisfaction with lecture academic performance is in the very certified category, and there is no significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Student satisfaction with the performance of the electrical engineering department leadership is in the certified category, and there is significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Satisfaction of Malay student is lower than Malay student. Student satisfaction with the performance of the electrical engineering department education staff and the engineering faculty education staff was in the satisfaction category, and there was no significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Student satisfaction with academic and non-academic service is in the satisfaction category, and there is significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Student satisfaction with academic information service is in the certified category, and there is no significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Student satisfaction with an academic information service in the satisfaction category, and there is a significant difference in student satisfaction based on gender. Suggestion: to improve the academic performance of lecture, it is necessary to add the reading material, especially online. Need to develop POS related to micro teaching, thesis, final project, and industrial practice. The quality of academic and non-academic service performance need to be improved, especially related to the timelines of service. Academic service need to be improved, especially improving online learning facility. The quality of facility and infrastructure and the web tools support academic and academic information service need to be further improved. Thank you for attention. No, stars.